Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into JP Morgan Chase & Co. or simply JP Morgan Chase. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap there. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in JP Morgan Chase & Co. login, since we're going to log in, and hit enter. Now make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one that's a sign in JP Morgan Chase. Let's tap there. It may take a while depending on your Wi-Fi connection, and there we are. You're greeted with your login page. All you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. At the very first field, you have to type in a standard ID. I'm typing random numbers, but you make sure you tap in your actual information. You have to type in your standard ID first, and at the second field, you have to type in your password. And like that, at the very third, at the last field, you have to choose whether it's AD or RB or any NA East, Asia PC, or something like that. You have to select, and once you do that, all you gotta do is tap in the sign in button and you'll be signed into your JP Morgan Chase. Also, if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in that letter option that literally says click here for help. So you can simply click there and it will help you through. So that's it for today's video. Since you have already done that, you'll be logged into JP Morgan Chase & Co. And yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.